సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss quality factor. Quality factor or Q factor. So here quality factor is defined as the ratio of energy of oscillator. A ratio means this is the ratio of energy of the oscillator, energy of the oscillator to the energy lost per radian angular frequency. So this is the quality factor. Quality factor is defined as energy of the oscillator ratio to energy lost per radian of the angular frequency. So quality factor is defined as the ratio means fraction of the energy of the oscillator to energy lost of the radian angular frequency. This is the quality factor. So the quality factor is defined as the ratio of the energy of the oscillator to the energy lost per radian of the angular frequency. Quality factor is defined as the ratio. This is the ratio of the energy of the oscillator to the energy lost per radian of the angular frequency. Radian of the angular frequency is the 2 pi. This is the quality factor. So this equation can be written as energy of the oscillator per energy lost per 2 pi. This equation can be written as 2 pi energy of the oscillator upon energy lost. This is also quality factor, Q factor. So this means the quality factor is defined as 2 pi times the ratio of energy stored in the system to the energy lost per period. So this is also definition. This definition is written as quality factor is defined as the ratio of the energy of the oscillator to the energy lost per radian of the angular frequency. Okay, this is the definition. This is also definition. This definition is called as the quality factor is defined as 2 pi times the ratio of the energy stored in the system to the energy lost per period. These two are definitions of quality factor. Another definition our derivative term, derivation term, another definition. That definition is the quality factor is defined as the ratio of the resonance frequency of change in resonance. That means Q factor, quality factor, is equals to omega upon omega 2 minus omega 1. So here there are three definitions of quality factor. Quality factor is defined as the ratio of the energy of the oscillator to the energy lost per radian of the angular frequency, and also the quality factor is defined as 2-5 times the ratio of the energy stored in the system to the energy lost per period. So this is also a definition. This definition is the quality factor or Q factor is defined as resonance frequency upon change in resonance, that equals to omega upon omega 2 minus omega 1. This is also written as omega upon delta omega. Delta omega means change in resonance, that means omega 2 minus omega 1. This is the definition of the quality factor. So then the derivation of the equation of the quality factor. Then the quality factor is this is the quality factor. So then derivate this term omega and omega 2 minus omega 1. Okay, క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటే ఏమిటంటే, క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ని ఎలా నిర్వచిస్తామంటే, డోలకం యొక్క శక్తి ఎనర్జీ ఫర్ ద ఆసిలేటర్, డోలకం యొక్క శక్తి నష్టం అపాన్ 2π. సో ఈ 2π ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంటే 2π ఇంటూ డోలకం శక్తి బై శక్తి నష్టం, శక్తి దుర్విమయం. ఇది క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటాం. ఈ క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ని ఇంకో రకంగా ఎలా చెప్పవచ్చు, క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ Q ఈక్వల్స్ టు అనునాద పౌనఃపున్యము బై అనునాదంలో మార్పు. సో ఒమేగా అపాన్ డెల్టా ఒమేగా. ఓకే, దీనికి ఈక్వేషన్ ఏ విధంగా తీసుకొస్తామన్నది ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. డెరివేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. Derivation of the equation. So then the derivation of the equation, the displacement of the forced vibration oscillator. Okay, the displacement of the forced vibration oscillator is given by, అంటే ఫోర్స్డ్ బలాత్కృత కంపనాల డోలకము, ఏమంటాము, బలాత్కృత కంపనాల డోలనం యొక్క డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ మీన్స్ స్థానభ్రంశం. దాని ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా రాస్తాము, ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ ఇన్ ద ఫోర్స్డ్ వైబ్రేషన్ ఆసిలేటర్, బలాత్కృత కంపనాల డోలకంలో మనకు తెలుసు. దాన్ని ఎలా చూస్తామంటే x ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ సైన్ ఆఫ్ పీటీ మైనస్ థీటా. ఇది బలాత్కృత కంపనాల డోలకం యొక్క స్థానభ్రంశము. దీన్నే forced vibration oscillator, displacement of the forced vibration oscillator. Okay, in order to find the quality factor, we need power considerations. Power considerations. Power considerations means power is the, already we know that power is the force into velocity. Force into velocity. Power means సామర్థ్యము ఈక్వల్ టు బలము ఇంటూ వేగం. సో we find the value of velocity. వేగం యొక్క సమీకరణాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వేగం యొక్క సమీకరణాన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే then we have to need the displacement. Already we know that that displacement of the forced vibration, that is the x equals to a sine of pt minus theta. Already we know that a is the, here amplitude a equals to f upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. So this value is substituted in this equation. ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని అందులో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే x equals to f upon under root omega square minus p square whole square 4b square p square. This is the value of the a, sin pt minus theta. So then we have to find the derivation of this term. Derivation is the dx upon dt. Dx upon dt equals to f upon under root omega square minus p square whole square 4b square p square. Derivation of this term cos pt minus theta. In the derivative term is the p. Okay, so this equation can be written as dx upon dt equals to f into p, fp upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square into cos pt minus theta. This is the velocity. Now we need to power considerations. The power considerations means power equals to force into velocity. Force means, what is the force in the due the forced vibrations, the f is proportional to minus x, f is proportional to minus v, and so on. Extra periodic force, this is the restore force, this is the frictional force. Then f is proportional to restoring force. So we need the frictional force. F is proportional to minus v. F equals to minus rv. Here r is the constant. F equals to minus r. R is the constant. Minus is the opposite direction. So F equals to r. Here force equals to r. Then power considerations. Power equals to force into velocity. Force means rv into velocity. So power equals to r into v rv square. So in this equation we substitute this velocity. So power equals to r into v means this is the velocity, so p square v square upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square cos square pt minus theta. This is the power consideration. This is the power consideration. So this whole square. So further simplification, power equals to r f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square cos square of pt minus theta. Okay, then we need to power average. Okay, power average means అంటే మనకి శక్తి సామర్థ్యం యావరేజ్ కావాలంటే దీనికి ఒక డెఫినేషన్ ఉంది. పవర్ యావరేజ్ ఈజ్ డిఫైన్డ్ యాజ్ ద ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద పవర్ కన్సిడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ టైం పీరియడ్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద power consideration of time period. So power average equals to integration of the power consideration means this is the power consideration upon omega square minus p square whole square 4b square p square cos square pt minus theta of time period 1 upon t, 1 over t time period. Okay, so then power consideration equals to, this is the constant value r f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square integration of the 1 upon t cos square pt minus theta. So here for power average కోసం this value is equals to half. That means integration of 1 upon t integration of 0 to time period cos square pt minus theta equals to half. For power average కోసం 1 upon t ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to t cos square pt minus theta ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చే వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్. సో దెన్ పవర్ యావరేజ్ equals to r f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. This value is the half because 1 over t integration of 0 to t cos square pt minus theta is equals to half. దీని వాల్యూ హాఫ్ కాబట్టి దీని వాల్యూలో టోటల్ వాల్యూలో హాఫ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేసాం. ఓకే, దెన్ పవర్ యావరేజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు or f square p square omega square minus p square plus whole square plus 4b square p square of. Okay, here r is the constant, but r upon m equals to 2b. We know that in the definition of the damped oscillator, and also this is in forced oscillator, because f is proportional to minus v, f equals to minus rv, f equals to ma minus rv, a equals to minus r upon m. So in this order, so r upon m, ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ మీరు డ్యాంప్డ్ ఆసిలేటర్లో కానీ ఫోర్స్డ్ ఆసిలేటర్లో కానీ తీసుకుంటే ఆర్ అపాన్ ఎం అని 2bగా తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఆర్ అపాన్ ఎం ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2b, దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2bm, ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు bm. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టర్మ్ వి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ 2bm. సో పవర్ యావరేజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2bm into f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square into half 2 is the cancel, remaining is the power average equals to bm f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square, 4b square p square. Power average equals to bm f square omega f square p square upon omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. So this is the power average. Here some condition, the maximum condition, is p is approximately equals to omega. In the sharpness of resonance, in the graph of sharpness of resonance, this is the p is less than omega, p is greater than omega, the sharpness of resonance, so this is the maximum condition. So here power average at maximum equals to bm f square, and the p square is the omega square, so is p is approximately equals to omega. Here omega square minus omega square whole square, p square is the omega square plus 4b square p square omega square, అంటే p ప్లేస్లో ఒమేగా సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేస్తామని అర్థము. సో bm f square omega square upon, this is the 0 square 0, remaining is the 4b square omega square, here b square is the cancel, omega square is the cancel, remaining is the, this is the power average at maximum equals to m f square upon 4b. This is the power average at maximum. for quality factor we need the quality factor. For the quality factor power average equals to of power average maximum. So this is the condition of the quality factor. Quality factor condition ఏమిటి? What is the quality factor of condition? Power average equals to of power average at maximum. So what is the power average? Power average is the Bm f square p square upon under root omega square minus p square whole square upon 4b square p square. This is the power average. What is the power average at maximum? M f square 4b. This is the power average at maximum. This value is equals to power average for the quality factor. So then we simplify this equation. So here m is the cancel, f square is the cancel. Remainings are b p square upon omega square minus p square whole square upon 4b square b square equals to 1 upon 8b. Okay, so this equation can be written as omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square equals to 8b square cross multiplication p square. So this value can be written as omega square minus p square whole square equals to 8b square p square minus 4b square p square. So this equation can be written as omega square minus p square whole square equals to 4b square p square. So this square this can be written as omega square minus p square equals to under root 4b square p square. So then can be written as omega square minus p square equals to under root 4 is the 2, under root b square is the b, under root p square is the p. This is the omega square minus p square equals to 2bp. This is the form as like a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is the a square minus b square. A square minus b square is the formula is the a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. So omega minus p, omega plus p. So this equation can be written as omega plus p and omega minus p equals to 2bp. Then this equation can be written as omega minus p equals to 2bp upon, so here multiply, here divide omega plus p. So here omega is divided into two components. That two components is the omega 1 and omega 2. We need to change in omega. That means omega 1 minus omega 2 or omega 2 minus omega 1. So then here some condition, omega 2 is greater than omega omega 2 is greater than omega, then this equation can be written as omega 2 minus p equals to 2bp upon omega plus p. Okay, another condition, omega 2 is less than omega 1, that means omega 1 is greater than omega 2. So then this equation can be written as omega 1 minus p equals to minus 2bp upon omega plus p. So here omega 2 is greater than omega 1, this equation can be written as this type, omega 2 minus p equals to 2bp upon omega plus p, because this is the divided into two components, omega 1 and omega 2. omega 2 అనేది పెద్దదైతే పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ, ఒమేగా 2 అనేది చిన్నదైతే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ. సో we need to change in omega, then change in omega, that means delta omega equals to omega 2 minus omega 1. then omega 2 minus omega 1 కావాలి కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఈ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని omega 2 minus p minus omega 1 minus p equals to 2bp upon omega plus p minus this value is the minus 2bp upon omega plus p. Okay, then this value is the omega 2 minus p minus omega 1, minus into minus plus p minus p is cancelled. Here 2bp upon omega plus p minus into minus plus, that is the 2bp upon omega plus. Okay, so this is the omega 2 minus omega 1, omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to omega plus p denominator. So this is the 4bp. So then omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 4bp upon, here p is the common, then this equation can be written as omega plus p, omega upon p plus 1. So p into 1, p into omega upon p equal to p cancel omega. So this equation can be written as this type. Further simplification, so omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 4bp upon, is the common, omega upon p plus 1. So this is the change in omega. Here this is the maximum condition. At the maximum condition omega is approximately equals to p. So this equation can be written as omega upon p is approximately equals to 1. This equation can be written as this, omega upon p is approximately equals to 1. This value is substituted in this equation. Then omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 4bp upon, here p is the cancel, 4bp upon 1 plus 1. So this equation can be written as omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 4b upon 2, 4 is 2 times cancel, so that equals to 2b, that is equals to 2b. Then omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 2b. So but we know that relaxation time, tau equals to 1 upon 2b, that 2b equals to 1 upon tau. So this equation substitute in this equation, then omega 2 minus omega 1 equals to 1 upon 2. Then we write the here quality factor Q equals to omega upon omega 2 minus omega 1. So quality factor Q equals to omega upon omega 2 minus omega 1 is the 1 upon 2. Then quality factor is equals to omega 2. So this is the quality factor Q equals to omega upon omega 2 minus omega 1. Then omega 2 minus omega 1 is equals to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is the here quality factor Q equals to omega 2. So in this equation clearly we observe this is the half bandwidth. Omega 2 minus omega 1 is the half bandwidth. So half bandwidth denotes the change in resonance. Clearly we observe in this equation. So half bandwidth is the less. Less means this is the less value. Idi taggite quality factor high. So if half bandwidth is the less, then smaller bandwidth quality factor is high. Because denominator is the less value, then the value is high. If denominator is high, half bandwidth is high, the quality factor is less. అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ చిన్నగా ఉంటే ఈ వాల్యూ పెద్దది అవుతుంది, ఈ వాల్యూ పెద్దది అయితే ఈ వాల్యూ చిన్నది అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ హాఫ్ bandwidth ఈజ్ small, the quality factor is high. Half bandwidth is high, the quality factor is low. This is the importance of the quality factor.